Okay, thank you very much for joining me, ladies and gentlemen. All right. Okay, today is 24th of February 2025. It is around 9:06 p.m. here. All right, so we just had this Germany election, and apparently the election wasn't that so-called that bad. All right, they was kind of like AFD, right? The party they might win, and market have a bit of worry about it, but actually they sort of win a little bit. I mean, because they are the second most, so-called second most party that gain all the vote, right? But they are not the main guy. All right. So at least I think because of that, the market seems to be what we are having right now, right? What we are having right now is basically it's a relief rally kind of stuff. So market is always like that. Market will always go where the everybody is not expecting. Everybody expecting that, something will happen and market will go down. And instead, what happened? Market will go up. Or if the people think the market is going to go up, if when everybody think market will go up, what happened? Market will go down. Okay, so this is how the market works all the time. So this week we have today we don't have so much of the news, and actually this week we do not have so much news actually, right? You can see we don't really have so much of the red color. Red color mean it's a high so-called high regarded, news. We don't really have so much news this week, all right? And only we got few on Wednesday, we got a few on Thursday, and we got a few again on Friday, right? So basically we don't really have so much. And so this week is going to be a bit, I think, a little bit low volatile week in my opinion, because apart from the German election, we don't really have news anymore already. Okay, so we need to be a bit careful. And how about the week after next? Okay, the week after next is a little bit more a bit busier. You can see we have a lot of red color items, especially next week, right? So next week, Thursday, and next week is Friday is going to be full of the item, right? And we also have a NFP here. So I expect this week might be low volatile week with my opinion. So please adjust accordingly. Okay, what do I mean by adjust accordingly? My thinking is that try not to trade too much in my opinion. All right. Okay, so this is on the news and the item. So let's talk about the market here. All right, so what is happening to British pound? Okay, so on the left is CFD. Sorry, on the left is future. On the right is basically CFD going on here. All right, so they are quite similar. It's just that they have a bit of different condition per se. All right, so let me load it up. So as you can see, right, for the past few days, actually the volume have been really stagnantly going down. Actually, so when it's happened, I mean the one there's not much of the control or not much of the participant in the market for in the sort of like this particular instrument for quite a while. So we just need to be careful a little bit because when this thing happen, we might have this kind of bear flag might be happening. All right, bear flag is something like this, right? So please be very careful. Okay, of course we still can bounce around like this, but the moment they break lower, we need to be a bit careful. All right, so I'm overall cautiously bullish. All right, potentially looking for some potentiality of the market breaking down lower. So far, are we seeing anything going down yet? So not at all. All right. So I'm just seeing a little bit bullish at the moment. Okay. I personally do not hold any position on this. So just take it slow and monitoring daily. All right. Okay. Next one, Euro. Euro was one of the so-called not bad looking one. You see, what really happened? You see, last week. Okay, let me show you. Last Friday, right? Market have a knowledge, right? They might have a bearish case scenario because of the AFD might win, right? So you see what happened? The market really have a very bearish, sort of like a bearish looking candle, right? You see, so market have a very like market really like market really have a stop hunt going on here. All right, so now we have a bearish looking candle at this moment. So I'm still wondering what they were trying to do. But let's say if today they close as the control or this kind of region, I think market might make some pullback in my opinion. Anyway, I have already kind of like projected already. So I think it's better to wait. If you want to long, you better wait. So you see, they use the price to go up really high above the previous two low. All right. Sorry, previous two high or previous three high. They stop out a lot of seller already. And what they do after they stop out a lot of seller and they bring in a lot of buyer, and I think they have so-called have captured a lot of liquidity in my opinion. So once this is over and the market really go into the next step, I think they were likely to go this one at this moment. So should you buy or not? I don't really think so. All right. So let's see how it's go. All right. So we have a nearest. Okay. I think in the ICT or SMC, they call it change of behavior, right? Hang on, let me do it here. Actually, basically, change of behavior is basically higher high, higher low reading. All right. So we are still having a sort of like a higher high going on. So unless this level is broken, all right. So for example, I just draw it for here. Unless this level is broken and this have a bearish color. Hang on, let me draw it out. All right. Then we have a by then we have a bearish case scenario. Okay, in order to happen, what have to be happen? We need to have a come down, go back up a bit, then they break it down. Then we have a bearish case scenario. Okay, so far it's too early to say bearish, so just be careful a little bit. There are some minor signs of so-called bullish top is coming in. Okay, so this one to summarize, slightly bullish or neutral. All right. Okay, let's talk about another one is gold. All right. Now is gold. Gold is interesting. Okay, I have personally have gold until today evening. All right, I have a gold long previously. I think I long somewhere around 2882, and I have already took profit already. All right, so now I'm just monitoring closely. I want to see how this today candle close for today. Okay, I think I want to show you something. Okay, I want to show you something now. Okay. Okay, this is a very higher time frame, longer term chart. Basically, one candle is 3 months. Okay, you see, actually they have been like basically it's 1 quarter, right? One, two, three, four, five, and six. Out of the last 6 quarter, yeah, 5 quarter is a bullish for actually it's gold. Can you see that? So that means if you have been buying steadily since somewhere in the late 2023, if you're buying gold, very high chance that you're making money. All right, only 1 quarter that a little bit like a doji. The rest of the 5 out of 6 quarter actually is going on the bullish mode. So I think overall the trend is very, very strong on the goals, in my opinion. So unless it is a lower time frame, all right, unless it's a lower time frame, we may do some pullback here and there, but the goal is very stay to the strong side, in my opinion. All right, so if you want to short on gold, right, I think we need to really think twice actually. All right, because the trend is so strong on the buying side. All right, so going forward, I think gold is a bit like here, this on the high time frame. So is keep that in mind. Actually, gold have been really going up since 2018. Right. So what they did was in 2018 until 2020, it was a very good time for gold. And gold almost ranged from 2021 to 2023. Actually, almost 2 years just go major sideways. Then now they are now breaking up. So gold is back into the bullish trend. Okay. So see here, I think gold, what might happen is they are now just like a bit of sideways in the daily time frame. Right. So I think what will happen is a gold will try to swing around a little bit, but I think it's the best chance to stay is to wait for a buy at the support level, in my opinion. All right. I may get it fail, I may not get it fail. I'm looking for another round to buy somewhere around here and somewhere around here, or even somewhere around here. Right. Maybe I will have a chance, or maybe not. But I think these are the level that I will be looking for long actually. All right. So gold is overall stay bullish. If you want to sell, if you do it with a very low volume, or we really need to think twice. Okay. So even in the downtrend, of course, there will be some pullback along the way. So I think the pullback will be a good time for us to buy in. All right. So gold is overall stay slightly bullish, since it is in the sideway area. Like I said, instead of I will buying a lot, I will want to wait at those swing level. Right. I repeat that already. Swing levels are these level actually. All right. So these are the level that gold might probably have a strong support from. All right. Okay. So let me just make a color for everybody to see. Right. These are the swing level, right? So I have to mention that again in the SMC concert or something like that. Basically they are just higher high and higher low. All right. So these are the very prominent swing low level. So I think they can be a very important level. Okay. So yep, you can either wait with the buy limit or you put some alarm there. All right. So you can use in the trading view, you can use this alarm function to help you out. Okay. Okay, so go. This is what is happening. So just be careful. I think we should be focused and slowly buy in at the support level. Okay, you got my point now. Okay, another one is silver. All right. Okay, silver is a little bit different from gold, but they are also overall pretty bullish. So silver also instead we should look for a like a swing level support to buy from. Like this, I have one. We can find one here. We can find one here. We can find one here. Something like that. All right. So silver, you see all my so-called my reversal level. These are the level that I just mentioned. Okay, silver also same thing, a little bit looking a little bit top-ish in my opinion, but every pullback is a good chance for us to buy in again. Okay, so being a buyer, you must buy low, right? So these are the potential low level that market will bounce from. All right. So the next one I want to mention is US market. All right. US market. Okay, hang on. US market is okay, US market is slightly different. Okay, US market is slightly different. We have a bit strong sell coming in my opinion. All right, so US, we have a very strong sell recently coming in. All right, so basically what was happening here was that we have a very strong sell. We have a strong volume coming in. That means a lot of position are being so-called taken place here. Then we have another strong sell here. So what happened here is that I think the market is trying to retouch to this zone in my opinion. So unless this week is we have a bullish candle, I think market will likely to drift into this zone in my opinion. So we are talking somewhere between 43,000 to 43.8-ish thousand in my opinion. So these are the potential level that market will likely to go this week. All right. I make a bit of a bit of leeway buffer here. So that might be a level that I may want to short it from. Okay. I do not hold any personally. I do not hold any position. All right, so just let's see for a while. I think the market is a little bit weak in my opinion. All right, so another one is Bitcoin. All right, okay, Bitcoin due to the head, we have a very big spook on the uh due to the spook on the market, right? So we have a like a we have a very strong sell down coming in here. All right, we have a very strong sell down coming in here. We have a very strong sell down coming in here. So actually after that, right, market is just doing basically nothing, right? So I think we need to careful on this one, in my opinion. I won't be bullish or strongly bullish until this 98,000 to 99,000 is broken up again. If not, we are not seeing any strong, we are not strong any bullishness at this moment. I want to watch out this level. So currently, Bitcoin I'm on neutral and maybe even say slightly bearish at this moment. Like I said, 98K to 99K. I would like to wait until the market really, go back up higher. Okay, so just let me have a quick conclusion. All right, just let me have a quick conclusion. This week is going to because due to the last, sorry, hang on, let me rephrase, due to the last week low volume week, because we have a one of the day was holiday, which is last Monday. All right, because of that, hang on, let me just take it to here. Due to the so-called high due to the one of the day was off day. All right, so we have a low volume week last week, and this week also we might be having a low volume week in my opinion. All right, because you can see we don't have so much of the news, only except on Friday. All right, and of course it will be followed by the stronger high impact, more stronger week next week. So this week please be very careful. Okay, of course, this week can move a lot, but if the volume wasn't really volume wasn't really following, if volume wasn't really following, market can move a lot. Let's say it's go up a lot, then just to find out the next week when the volume come back in, market can put it down as well. So being a low volume week, please be very careful. So we need to be quite selective. Of course, you can trade. I mean, you should and you can trade for sure. It's just that please be aware of that as well. All right, guys. So thank you very much. Okay, I will be speaking about this again on of course, if there's any update, I was speaking about this again on next Wednesday. If I see any setups or anything, I will let you know. And yeah, I currently I'm doing some streaming on my another YouTube channel on the regarding to gold as well. I will monitor daily. All right, and of course, is there any update or whatever, I will update from there as well. Okay, so guys, thank you very much. Yeah, if you like this video, if you find it interesting, okay, please give a like. You can share it as well. All right, I see you guys again. Thank you very much. Bye bye.